Maulana who started the first freedom movement, Reshmi Rumal Tehreek, Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar who led the first freedom war in 1867, Asif Ali who supported Bhagat Singh in his court case. Non-cooperation movement actually started by the Maulana Muhammad Ali Zohra and Abdul Kalam Azad. Inqilab Zindabad, this slogan given by a Muslim Hazrat Mohani. Jai Hind, this slogan again given by a Muslim Abid Hassan Safani. Our pride Indian state was also designed by a Muslim woman, Suraya Tayyab ji. There are so many Muslim leaders who sacrificed their lives and unfortunately we have forgotten them.